Hey everyone, this looks like a beautiful staircase that is all done, but unfortunately there are some big problems. This is why we always recommend you have us do the installation or you follow the advice that we have on our channel. If you hit that subscribe button, we have detailed tutorial videos that show you how to install vinyl stair nosings to make sure that this doesn't happen to you. So as we take this off, you're going to see the main part of the problem right here. And that is that this stair nosing was not installed tight against the wood underneath. You can see it sticks way out, which means the top of this portion is not at all supported. Vinyl was never meant to be something that supports entirely somebody's weight. It needs to be on top of a solid surface. And so it makes sense that these nosings ended up cracking because people would be walking on them and they'd be sticking out that far completely unsupported. I feel very bad for this particular homeowner, but we are going to have to take it all off and do it all over again. Okay, this particular step did seem to be fairly secure, but once we got the main parts off, and honestly it was mostly being held by the baluster, we also saw the second problem, which is what was used to adhere. First of all, the dust wasn't cleaned off of the back of the vinyl before it was installed, which means any adhesives would just stick to the dust, not to the actual underlay itself. And second, once we were able to peel this off, we realized this isn't an adhesive at all. This is actually a silicone product that was used for the installation. This is not what is recommended. Again, in our videos, we show you exact details on how to do this properly, what adhesives to use so that you don't end up in this same situation with products needing to be taken off and reinstalled very shortly after they were originally installed. So again, hit that subscribe button and make sure that you get all the proper advice before you go ahead and do your installation. You can find us at stepupvinyl.ca if you'd like to have us come out and install properly for you so that you don't risk ending up in a situation like this, with silicone falling apart and nothing holding the stair treads in place and no support that's causing it to crack. It can be really deceiving when you have somebody come in. Somebody might claim that they have 10. We've had people claim that they have 30 and 40 years of experience installing vinyl. Fortunately, folks, vinyl hasn't been around that long. Stair treads should not move like this. Vinyl is not structurally sound on its own. It needs to be securely put into place on a stair tread. It needs to be fully supported, because with this end bit not being supported, a few heavy steps on it like that and off it comes. Additionally, you saw these treads were bouncing up and down. That's because they weren't even adhered into place. This particular installer used a silicone product instead of an adhesive, which doesn't stick. Silicone is used to keep water out. It's not meant to hold something in place. If vinyl is moving, it's going to be cracking. And so these stairs never held a chance. It's heartbreaking to see this happen, especially to these homeowners who have only had these installed for less than a year. But unfortunately, it all needs to come out. Additionally, the dust wasn't cleaned off of the back of this vinyl before it was put into place. So even if a good adhesive had been used, all that adhesive is going to do is stick to the dust and not to the vinyl itself, which means it's not going to be held in place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. We have complete detailed installation instructions on how to install properly, what adhesives you should use, not this silicone product, how you need to cut the nosings so that they are tight and the front is supported so that you're not ending up with cracking or any issues like this. This just breaks our heart, guys, and we want to make sure this doesn't happen to you. So hit that subscribe, check out our videos, go to our website at stepupvinyl.ca and get a beautiful finish that is actually going to last. We'll see you in the next video.